So, how do you run a profitable and successful affiliate marketing business? That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. In my previous video, we talked about what affiliate marketing is for those persons who are just getting started. If you want to know what affiliate marketing is all about, you don't know what it is, then you need to check this video right here for you to understand and know what affiliate marketing is all about. In this video, we'll be looking at how to run a profitable or a successful affiliate marketing business, because you see, this is a business. That's why it's called a business, right? So you want to know how to do it the right way, okay? And that's what we're going to be covering in this video. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to dive into my laptop, my system, and show you a few things and explain a few concepts to you so you can get started with your affiliate marketing business. Get started and get it right? So let's get into it.
All right. So before we go on to talk about the right way to go about your affiliate marketing business, let's talk about the wrong way to go about it. Okay. Now, when people start affiliate marketing or get into the affiliate marketing space, what they do is go to the different affiliate marketing networks. We've talked about the affiliate marketing networks. That's why I said you should look out for the previous video so you understand what affiliate marketing is if you don't know yet, in the different networks, and how you can even go about searching for affiliate programs to join. All right. So what they do is they get their link. Okay, they get their link, their affiliate marketing link, their unique link, and then they go and run advertising. So this could be on Facebook, right? And they run straight to the link, which of course is the sales page of the product. Right now, this is what most persons do. I don't know if you guys are seeing this clearly, so let me try and make this bigger. Okay, so here is your ad. Okay, and then this leads to the sales page. Now, this is a wrong way of going about affiliate marketing. When you run your affiliate marketing this way, you are doing what? You are helping this vendor grow his or her business, right? And you, on the other hand, you are not building yourself a business. Now, what is the difference? The difference is you're helping this guy grow their customer base, while you don't have a customer base. So what we do, or those of us who know how to go about affiliate marketing the right way, we have a page in this place, or pages in this page, place before they get to these affiliates or this vendor's page, and these pages are called bridge pages. Okay, so what that means is, so what you want to do instead is have your ad, right? So you have an ad here. Now there are different ways to go about this. So you can have your ad there, and then you run into what we call a squeeze page. Okay, a squeeze page. Then on this squeeze page, what you do here is just highlight or talk about a few things, or in bullet points, what they will learn in the training. Okay, in the training, that is the vendor's product, because the vendor is going to have a sales letter or a video sales letter, right? So you want to say something briefly about what they are going to get right there. And here you are going to have a form where they will give you their details like their phone number, their email, and their name, right? Some persons just do name and email, okay? Because really, the less the hurdles your customers has to go through, the higher your conversions, right? So once they fill their details in this page or on this form in this page, they go to another page, right? Some persons will just take them to the vendor sales page. No, don't do that yet. Okay. So when they opt in or when they type in their details here, let me show you guys how that looks like. This is something like a squeeze page. So this is a squeeze page. So you list out the things that they're going to get from the product they're about to gain access to, and of course a form where they type in their name and email. So this is what a squeeze page looks like. All right. So once they do that, you don't take them. A lot of people just take them to the sales page of the vendor, right? But don't do that. What you do is, I'm going to give you two things. Like, these are two ways you should apply this. So here is your ad on Facebook or wherever your ad is. You take them to your squeeze page, right? So here is your squeeze page, and then you take them to a bridge page, right? A bridge page before they get to the vendor's sales page. Now, the essence of this bridge page is for you to do a review of what the customer is going to get from the vendor's purchase. Okay, what they are going to get, what the vendor's product entails. That is what you are doing on this bridge page. So you do a review of what this vendor's products entails, right? Hope you guys get it. And to build all those pages, because these are going to be pages, these are pages that you need to create, right? For you to be able to do this, you can do this using Wix, can you do this using WordPress. If you're on a budget, I would say you should go with Groove Pages because they give you access to that for free, right? For free, you can have your own Groove Pages created. Now, this thing you're creating here is what people call funnels, what we call funnels, right? So for you to do this, you are going to need something like WordPress, Wix, Groove Pages. Groove Pages gives you access for free, lifetime access for you to start building your own Groove Pages, and it's simple to use. You build yourself beautiful pages, right? So you know that the only thing that you're going to subscribe to is an email marketing service. What I mean is, once people enter their details on this form right here, they are going to be subscribed to an email list. So there you are going to follow up on the people who sign up here. So you don't just leave them to just go to the sales page just the way a lot of people do it, right? So a lot of people just send people directly to the sales page. I don't know why this thing is slowing down. Right, to the sales page. Now, when you do this, you won't be able to get emails, right? You won't be able to get emails, and you won't be able to follow up on these people, right? So what you want to do is either do this, or the third one, which I'm going to tell you about now, which I actually prefer. All right. So you want to be able to do this so you have a subscriber list, your own customers that you can have a personal relationship with, personal relation with, right? That is the essence of you doing this, because you want to build your own business. Because someday you will probably decide to create your own product. Now, instead of you looking for a way to get customers, now you have a customer base that you can now advertise to, you can now send your offers to, right? That is why you want to have this quiz page. It's very important you have this quiz page. Now, the second way that I prefer to do this, I've told you about one that I prefer, which is this one over here, your ad leading to your quiz page and then to your bridge page where you do your review of the product right here. But there is a third one, a second one, which I like, okay, or a third way that you should do it, and not like every other affiliate right here who is just sending their, their traffic to the sales later, right? All this, the product or the vendor's sales page. Okay, what you do is you have your ad right here. Now you need to understand that the essence of your ad is for you to have a click, so people go out of social media. So if you're advertising on Facebook, you want people to be able to click out, because the attention span right there is very low. So you want to get people out of there, and then you take them to what we call a pre-sale page, right? Now on this pre-sale page, you are going to pre-sell what they are going to get access to, right? You are going to make them hunger for what they are going to get, right? So for instance, how do a pre-sale page look like? Let me show you guys how a pre-sale page looks like. All right, so this is a pre-sale page, right? You can see that it looks like it's a mini sales letter, right? It looks like a mini sales letter. And at the end of it, you're going to see this entire form right here. Now, some people will just have a button which they will click on to go to this quiz page that we talked about here. But I just prefer having my quiz page or my opt-in form just below the pre-sale content. And that's what I think you should do as well, so you don't have too many steps that your customer has to go through, right? So you have your pre-sale page. Okay, and then the next page is going to be your bridge page. Okay, a bridge page. All right, so like I said, your bridge page is going to be the page that you do a proper review of what the product is about. That is where you're going to give your own bonuses, right? Because that is how you create an offer. That is another video from this one, because you want to be able to create your own offer that is different from your vendor's offer. It's important that you do that. You want to be able to create an offer that is different from your vendor's offer. So because you're not the only one who's going to be advertising these products, right? This vendor's product. A lot of affiliates are going to be doing that. So what separates you from every other affiliate? You have to create your own offer to promote, these affiliates or these vendors' products. Okay, so before you take it to the sales page, you want to have this bridge page. Okay, so this is how you should run your own affiliate marketing business. All right, now for those of you who are really interested in this, I think it will do you a lot of good to have a very in-depth training on how to go about this. So what I'm going to do is, if you look below this video, you're going to find a link to a training that one of my mentors created. It's called the 72 our income generator. All you just have to do is click on the link so you register for the training, and I believe you are going to learn really more on how to go about your own affiliate marketing business. And another thing you could also do is sign up to group pages, okay, or group funnels, right? So also below this video, you're going to find my affiliate link for group funnels, so you know how to build. So you start building these pages, and you can do that for free, right? So instead of you paying to have your WordPress site set up, you can just pay. You can just register free on group funnels or group pages and start building all of these pages up. Now, when you make use of my link, you will be added to a group on Facebook where you can ask questions, and I will answer your questions for those of you who are going to be having some questions in order for you to set up your page correctly. If you want to know how, if you're having issues trying to set up your page, you will be able to do that. Ask questions in the group. So if you are interested in using my affiliate link, you will find it below this video. Once you register, you will be able to get the group's link so you can be part of the group. All right, so that is it, guys. That is how you should run your own affiliate marketing business. I hope you gained something from this video.
Also, I hope you got all that I talked about in that video, and now you know how to get started with your own affiliate marketing business. You must know that you need to get it right, okay? Don't be like every other affiliate marketer who just throw out their links and expect sales. All right, you want to be different. You want to build a business, okay? So if you enjoy this video and you find it useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course you want to subscribe to this channel and turn on those notification bells so that anytime I put out a video, you will be the first person to get notified that I just put out a video. I will see you in my next video.